Most people are paying full price for their flights to paradise, but they do not have to. Imagine booking a flight to a dream destination like Hawaii or a remote national park and being able to bring a friend or family member for almost nothing. There is a specific way to unlock a second ticket for just $99 plus taxes every single year, yet many travelers overlook this because they think it is too complicated or only for frequent flyers. If you have ever felt like travel is becoming too expensive, you need to understand how one specific piece of plastic can completely change the math of your next vacation. At the time of recording this video, the travel world is buzzing about the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature card. Whether you are a loyal flyer or someone who only takes one big trip a year, the benefits packed into this card are designed to put money back in your pocket. We are going to break down every single perk step by step, from the famous companion fare to a hidden guarantee that can earn you free miles if your luggage is late. Before we dive into the details, it is important to mention a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this review is based on personal feedback and the current features of the card at the time of recording. Credit cards are powerful tools, but they should be used responsibly. Always make sure to pay off your balance in full to avoid interest charges and ensure you are getting the most value out of these rewards. Let us start with the first thing you will encounter: the welcome offer. Currently, new cardholders have the opportunity to earn a massive sign-up bonus. At the moment, this offer often sits around 70,000 bonus miles after you spend $3,000 on purchases within the first 90 days of opening your account. To put that in perspective, 70,000 miles is often more than enough for a round-trip ticket anywhere the airline flies. Some people have even seen offers as high as 80,000 or 100,000 points, depending on the specific promotion available when they apply. Along with these miles, you typically get your first companion fare as part of that initial sign-up bonus. This leads us to the most famous benefit of all, the annual companion fare. This is the crown jewel of the card. Every year after your account anniversary, you receive a discount code. This code allows you to book a flight for yourself and bring a companion for just $99 plus taxes and fees, which usually start at around $23. This means your guest flies for roughly $122 total. There is a small catch you need to know about to keep this benefit active year after year. To qualify for the annual companion fare after your first year, you must spend at least $6,000 on the card within the prior anniversary year. While that might sound like a lot, it averages out to $500 a month. If you use the card for your regular groceries, gas, and bills, hitting that mark is often quite simple for most households. The beauty of the companion fare is how much it can save you on expensive routes. If you are flying from the East Coast to Hawaii or up to a remote part of Alaska, those tickets can easily cost $600 or $700 each. By using the companion fare, you pay the full price for the first ticket and only $99 plus taxes for the second. This one perk alone can save you $500 or more, which easily covers the card's annual fee of $95. Plus, there are no blackout dates when using this fare on eligible flights. As long as there are 2 seats available for sale in the economy cabin, you can use your code. It works for one-way or round-trip itineraries, and you can even include a stopover. Best of all, both you and your companion will still earn miles on the flights and are both eligible for elite upgrades if you have status. Now let us talk about the luggage. Traveling with a group or a large family can get expensive quickly because of bag fees. With this card, you and up to 6 guests traveling on the same reservation get your first checked bag for free. Since checked bags usually cost at least $30 each way, a family of 4 could save $240 on a single round-trip flight. This benefit applies to flights operated by Alaska Airlines, Horizon Air, or SkyWest. Just remember that you must use your card to book the flight to unlock this perk. The savings continue once you get to the airport. Cardholders receive priority boarding, allowing you to get on the plane earlier than the general boarding groups. This is a huge advantage because it ensures you can find space in the overhead bins for your carry-on bags before they fill up. Like the baggage benefit, this covers you and up to 6 companions on your reservation, provided you paid for the tickets with your card. Once you are in the air, the card keeps working for you. You get a 20% rebate on all in-flight purchases, including food, beverages, and even Wi-Fi. You pay with your card, and the 20% credit shows up on your statement, usually within 7 days. Speaking of earning, let us look at how you rack up miles on everyday spending. You earn 3 miles for every dollar spent on eligible Alaska Airlines and Hawaiian Airlines purchases. This includes not just flights, but also in-flight food and vacation packages booked through the airline. For your daily life, the card offers 2 miles for every dollar spent in several key categories: gas stations, local transit, ride-sharing services, cable bills, and select streaming services. This even includes electric vehicle charging stations. For everything else you buy, you earn 1 mile per dollar. Your miles never expire as long as your account remains active. If you are a Bank of America customer, there is an even better bonus. You can receive a 10% rewards bonus on all miles earned from your card purchases if you have an eligible checking, savings, or investment account. This means if you earn 1,000 miles from spending, the bank will give you an extra 100 miles just for having that relationship with them. One of the most exciting updates at the time of recording is the merger between Alaska Airlines and Hawaiian Airlines. This has led to the creation of a joint loyalty experience, often referred to as Atmos Rewards. Because of this, you can use your miles and benefits across both airlines, giving you even more flexibility for tropical vacations. For those who enjoy a bit of luxury before their flight, the card offers a significant discount on lounge access. You can get $100 off an annual Alaska Lounge Plus membership. This membership doesn't just get you into Alaska's own lounges in cities like Seattle, Los Angeles, and New York. It also gives you access to over 90 partner lounges worldwide. Inside the lounges, you will find free food, drinks, fast Wi-Fi, and in some locations, the famous automatic pancake machines. Now, here is a hidden gem that many people do not know about: the 20-minute baggage claim guarantee. This is a general airline policy that cardholders should definitely take advantage of. If your checked bags are not at the carousel within 20 minutes of your plane parking at the gate, the airline will give you a voucher for 2,500 miles or a $25 discount on a future flight. You just have to see a customer service agent at the airport within 2 hours of your flight's arrival to claim it. It is a great way to turn a travel annoyance into free miles for your next trip. If you are planning to travel abroad, this card is a fantastic companion because it has no foreign transaction fees. This means you can use it anywhere in the world without worrying about extra 3% charges on every purchase. Plus, the airline is part of the One World Alliance. This allows you to earn and redeem your miles on high-end partner airlines like British Airways, Japan Airlines, American Airlines, and Cathay Pacific. Travelers have reported getting incredible value by transferring their miles to these partners for international business class flights. The card also provides several travel protections that offer peace of mind. These typically include trip delay insurance, which can cover up to $500 if your travel is significantly delayed, and trip interruption or cancellation insurance of up to $1,500 per ticket. There is also coverage for delayed baggage, which helps you buy essentials if your bags don't show up on time. For those who run a small business or even a side hustle, there is also a business version of this card. The perks are almost identical, including the companion fare and free checked bags. The main difference is the earning structure. While the personal card favors streaming and cable, the business card offers 2 miles per dollar on shipping purchases. Some savvy travelers actually hold both the personal and business cards to earn 2 companion fares every year. In summary, the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature card is a powerhouse for anyone who flies at least once a year. Between the sign-up bonus that can be worth over $1,000 in travel and the annual companion fare that can save you hundreds more, the $95 annual fee is very easy to justify. Whether you are exploring the national parks in the Pacific Northwest or heading to the beaches of Hawaii, the combination of free bags, priority boarding, and high-mile earning potential makes it a top-tier choice for your wallet. It is truly one of the most underappreciated cards in the travel world because people assume it is only for residents of the West Coast. In reality, with its massive list of global partners and the ability to fly to over 1,000 destinations worldwide, it is a card that can take you almost anywhere on the planet. If you found this breakdown helpful and you feel more confident about maximizing your travel rewards, regalamate to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best ways to travel the world for less. Also, help me out by leaving a comment below with the word Alaska, so I know you made it all the way through the tutorial and are ready to start planning your next big adventure. Safe travels.